Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring two essential word skills that everyone should know: how to convert a PDF into an editable Word document, and how to change the page orientation for just one page without affecting the rest. Let's jump right in. Let's say you've got a PDF you need to edit. You can do it in Word in seconds. Open Microsoft Word. Then go to Open and then Browse. Then locate your PDF. Word will show a prompt. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Then click OK, and you're in. The file is now editable like any regular Word doc. Now let's change the orientation of just one page in Word, say for a chart or a wide image. Place your cursor at the start of the page you want to rotate. Then go to Layout, then Breaks, then Next Page to insert a section break. Then do the same after the page to isolate it in its section. Now go to Layout, then Orientation, and then Landscape, or Portrait, if switching back. And there you have it. Easily convert PDFs to Word and rotate a single page without messing up your layout. These two tricks will save you time and frustration, guaranteed. Don't forget to like the video, comment below what do you want to learn next, and hit subscribe and hit the bell for more Word and Office tips. See you next time.